Okay, hey, good morning, everybody. So we are here. We have zero makeup on. We have zero skincare on. And we are going to do it all for you. So we have our shakes.
We sure do.
What kind do you have today?
Oh, I don't know. You made it for me, but it's amazing.
It's vanilla. It's got frozen blueberries, strawberries, 2 scoops of protein powder, scoop of fiber boost. We've got some coconut water in here, and it's delicious, and it's starting our day off right. So the first step that we're going to do, we're going to go through our RE9 skincare. So the reason why we are talking about it is because it is on this massive sale this month. The prices haven't been this low since 2003.
Ooh.
So we're very excited to share it. This is a skincare line. It's the #1 anti-aging line that we have. It's meant to go with almost every single skin type. I have pretty normal skin with weird blotches of eczema. Kyla, what kind of skin?
Oily skin.
Oily skin.
Yeah.
So we have both used it and we both love it. I love what it's done. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to spritz some toner on.
Ooh.
You
I
ready?
didn't even have the toner. Yeah, spritz me.
Oh, very refreshing. Very refreshing.
So do we do anything with it or just let it sit?
Then you just let it sit.
Okay.
And then we just, once it dries off, then we can go to the next step, which is the little teeny bottle of the Intensive Renewal Serum. So I'm going to give you,
It smells nice.
it does smell nice. You just need one little dab,
A little bit.
like that.
Now we're done.
We're just going to
All
rub it
over?
on our face. All
Everywhere?
over. Yep. All over.
Wow. That stuff goes everywhere.
Because
That little bit is
so
doing
it's
my
super
whole face.
concentrated, and it helps to remove the look of the fine lines.
Oh, look at it. I'm so
So it's got a very silky texture.
It does.
So once that
nice.
dries off, then we do our little bottle of corrective eye cream. So again, one little scoop.
Is this going to help with our bags?
This is going to help with our bags. You don't have as many bags as I have. I have a lot of bags. So you're just going to take it and you're just going to dab it around the delicate places that
We
your
rub it
eye
in?
is. Don't rub.
Don't rub.
Just dab.
Dab, 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 dab.
And kind of like, because it'll slowly go into the eyelid, you want to kind of do it at the top.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like it's making my bag super pronounced.
Well,
I'm so tired I am.
no, we're good. We're good. We're getting there.
Okay.
Okay, so it has caffeine in it and it helps to diminish the appearance of puffiness and dark circles while retaining the moisture. So the next thing we're going to do is our restorative cream. So you can get this with or without SPF. I've learned that some people cannot have SPF in their products, which is fine because you can get it without. Mine has it with. This is also 1 scoop. So something that's very important with this collection is these products should last you between 3 to 6 months, depending on if you use a lot or not. You should just need 1 pump per thing, and it is meant to be in the morning and at night. So we're gonna
full
put this
face?
all over. Yep.
Yeah.
Put that all over.
My face is loving this because it's so dry.
It is so dry. And a tip is if you have any extra, put it on the back of your hand, because that also is the first place to show signs of aging.
Oh.
Very good. So this product has hyaluronic acid, which acts as a cushioning and lubricating agent to lock in moisture. So the one I have has SPF. I'm going on holiday soon, and that's why I'm using it also, because I need it, because I'm too lazy to put on sunscreen
On your face?
on my face.
Yeah.
So if we were doing this at night, instead of the restorative cream, we would use the advanced night repair cream. So it would be, you'd be sleeping away to beautiful skin, and it would do all that goodness while you sleep.
That's amazing.
But it is the daytime, so we're not going to use it.
Okay.
So one little thing that I like to add is this little part right here, the décolletage, I believe it's called. So I use the age-defying neck cream. So you just put a little bit on, and then you just rub it like that. And then it works to get rid of those, like, I don't know, but it's like these weird lines that are starting to show.
Yes.
Like,
Yep.
it's kind of horrifying. So we're just gonna rub that in and get that done. Okay, so now our face is set for our makeup. I have about a 5-minute makeup routine. I think Kyla's is like 2
Less
minutes.
than 2.
She doesn't have dark circles like I do. So we're gonna get started.
Oh yeah, we're gonna prime our faces.
Primer. If you've never used primer, I highly suggest you get it. It is the best thing to get your face set. It fills in your little pores, your fine lines. It's the barrier between the makeup and your skin.
I can post a picture later. I did it on the back of my hands once when I was over, and I got rid of all those little lines on the back of my hands.
It's crazy. And it's like the smoothest, most amazing product on your face. Like you just want to go like
It
this.
smells nice too.
It's amazing.
That's the fun thing with Arbonne. Everything smells good. It's not chemically.
No, non-toxic. And what did you just say? If you have your
If
children,
you have little kids, they can eat it. Your kids get into your makeup and they eat it. You don't have to call poison control. That's right. Okay.
That's right. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is our CC cream. So this builds coverage while helping to conceal blemishes and dark spots. It also can come with an SPF, and it actually is sparkly.
It totally is.
Okay.
Even the bottle is sparkly. Can you see the iridescency? Ooh, it's nice. So just
you
a little bloop of that too?
Just a little bit. I've learned less is more.
Okay.
So I'll just put that all around.
This is how much I'm going to use.
That might even be a bit much.
Oh, well.
See, less is more.
See?
Less is
Tell
more.
I'm a beginner. Don't do this. I am not very good at girling. Well, as I said, I don't girl very well. So I was out, and I know some of you are into these. Do you know what these are? They're blending brushes.
You know what they look like.
My mind is immediately in the gutter. It's really squishy, so I might try using one of those. Oh, see, you're way more
found
technical
that.
than I am.
We're just gonna do, probably have them here, but.
Look at how good that looks.
So it just
techniques down.
totally diminishes the look of my eye bit. And I'm Scottish, so this is not because I'm tired, it's
just in your genetic code.
part of my genetics. Okay, so that is
Look at
helped
that.
already.
Bam!
My next step, also because of my eye issues, is this is the primer for your eye makeup. So again, I do have somewhat oily skin. Well, sometimes I also have eczema on my eyelid, so I don't know why it's oily too. But it just helps set for the eye makeup. So it also is fine on its own if you want to do a quick little job there.
Look at how fast
So
the redness is gone.
already my redness is gone. I think I look much better.
You look amazing.
Okay, what do you need now?
I have no idea what I should do now.
Do you want to put some blush on?
We can try blush.
So we have this really cool palette here.
Can you see it? Look at this.
We're not makeup people, so
We're not gonna be
this is just,
girls.
we just try doing stuff. So I don't really know how to do the bronzer, but I sure know how to do blush.
Okay,
So
I'll follow your lead.
I am going to, but I have more. Just a little bit more. So I use the Mineral Powder Foundation. It's light enough, but it still covers my spots. Not that I have them anymore because of the RE9. But I'm just going to quickly put some of this on. And Kyla, you can
It's
put
like
the
a
blush
little
on.
honeycomb in there.
It is. It's like,
So cute. Okay, so everybody can laugh. I have watched some YouTube tutorials, and you're supposed to make a fish face when you do blush, right?
oh, okay.
Oh, it's so pretty.
See,
Oh, it just looks so rosy.
that.
This is what my mom used to do, and I always wondered why. Your
Actually
cheekbone?
look a little bit pale, but that's okay.
It's
Okay.
a light.
So we've got that, and then I'm
I'm
gonna put some blush on.
Somehow this side got more than that side, or maybe it's the light. I don't know.
Okay.
As long as we don't.
How are we
we're on
doing?
118. We're doing
Oh,
good.
we're good.
Look at how pretty we are.
Okay, so
Set for the day. Look at that. See?
wow.
Bam. We're
Wow.
gorgeous.
So then the last thing that I would just do is I would just put on a little bit of It's a
Mascara?
Long Story mascara. So for anybody that uses carbon black color, that was my color. That's the worst one you can. That's actually carcinogenic. Like it's carbon black. So this one again is safe for you. It has nothing bad in it. I'm not going to lick it, but you probably could. It would be bad for you. So I'm just going to put a little
And
bit.
again, it smells nice. It
On
doesn't
here.
smell like chemically, right?
Oh, so this is all good for you. It's good for the environment. Arbonne has a 0 carbon footprint,
It's pretty impressive.
which is pretty impressive. Everything is tested with a third-party testing.
It's always fun watching other people do their makeup.
It is, isn't it? So, I think it looks pretty good.
Looking amazing.
That literally took, well, the video is 10 minutes long, but
We've been being hooligans, so it didn't take us very
yeah,
long.
so that's kind of our little routine, and thanks for watching.